Hello investors, in this video we will look at one of the most unique features of Sharply, and that is the dashboard. Now, different types of investors prefer different types of data points. For example, if you are a stock investor who invests directly in stocks, then you would like to know that which stocks from a particular index are doing well, or you would like to know about different stock related data points. But if you are a mutual fund investor, then you would like to know that which mutual funds from a particular category are doing well and other mutual fund related data points. And on Sharply, you can keep all this data at just a click away. Wondering how? Just simply create a dashboard of your own. To create one, you just need to click on this dashboard. Once I click on dashboard, it will open. Now, as you can see, I have added two widgets here. The left-hand side, these large widgets are called full widgets, and on the right-hand side, these widgets are called mini widgets. Now, to customize it, you simply need to click on this customize button. Once I click on customize, as you can see, we have divided widgets in different types. So first is my stuff, where you can add your screens, factor model, watch list. Then there are market analysis related widgets. Again, they are divided into mini widgets and full widgets. So there are these three mini widgets. Full widgets include index heat map, index watchful, and index wizard. Then there are mutual fund related widgets, ETF related, stock analysis related, and sector analysis related. Now, in this video, we will create two types of dashboard. First is for the direct equity investors, and second one will be for the mutual fund or ETF investors. So, let's create the first one for the stock investors. So, if I go to market analysis, I have this index watch compact here, market movers here. Now, I would like to know about the market movers. So, I'll click on that. As you can see, you can look at the preview here. So whatever you add, it will get added, and you will be also able to uh, reorder and rearrange them. So I would like to know the market movers. Then in full widget, I'll include index heat map and index wizard. Right, so both are added now. Now, as I'm creating this dashboard for the direct investor, stock investors, then there are these widgets have no place in this dashboard as of now. Now I go to stock analysis. I have this super stock mini widget already added here. I don't want it. I just want stock style box also in full widgets. So stock style box is now added. And in sector analysis, I also want to look at which stocks in a particular sectors are doing well. So I'll add this sector heat map as well as sector wizard. But the most preferred widget for me will be the style box. So here you can rearrange them. So once you click on the six dots, and then you can move up and down the reordering. So I'll take this stock style box and I'll move it up. As you can see in the preview, it has gone up. And let me add one or two mini widgets as well. So in market analysis, I'll also add high and low. So there are two mini widgets and four or five full widgets here. Now I'm satisfied with my dashboard. It is ready. I'll click on apply changes. Once I click on this apply changes button, it will take 2 to 5 seconds to load, and then you will be able to see the dashboard that you have created. And now, as you can see, our dashboard is ready. Here we have this small widgets here, full widgets here. Here I can see I can look at top gainers and top losers. I can change the index from here. So if I want to see, let's say, top gainers of Nifty 500, then I can look at them. Then we have this 52-week high, low, and again, same index selection available here. In full widgets, the first one is stock style box. So you can select any style box out of the 10 that we provide. So let's say you want to look at the Market Angel companies. So click on Market Angel and you will be able to see the list of all the Market Angels company. Now these are the companies which are doing well currently and have high quality, but because of the run up, the valuations are not that favorable. And companies like Tata Motors, Hindustan Aeronautics are some of the few as of now. You can generate their factor maps, you can generate their heat maps, you can also download them. Now let's look at the another one of the widgets, that is stock wizard. So you can look at any company here in this. So I'll type ICICI Bank. I'll click on it, and then you can look at the fundamental metrics. Here you have the option to select value, quality, financial health. So you can look at all the quality related metrics, ROE, ROCE, and the historical trend. Then you also have technical viewpoint, like how many of the moving averages currently the price is above. Then there are patterns, oscillators, and you can also keep your important metrics here. So as you can see, PB ratio, PE ratio, dividend yield, gross NPA, net NPA, everything is available here. You can also customize the same. Let's say I want to add some another metric of, let's say, net profit margin, or I'll add net profit margin, right? So I click on apply changes, and it will take 2 to 3 seconds to load, and then you will be able to see that metric. So net profit margin is now added. So this is another widget. If I scroll down, you can see that this is the index heat map. So here you can generate heat map of any index. Let's say Nifty 100, and I want to generate the heat map of 1 year time frame. So this is the 1 year performance of all the constituents of Nifty 100 index. As you can see, then another widget is Index Wizard. So just like Stock Wizard, you can look at all the important data of an index in this Index Wizard. Then there is sectoral heat map. So just like index heat map, you can look at different sectors as well. So construction materials, and I want to look at 1 month data. Then again, you have this heat map of company's performance, 1 month performance, and so on. Now, this widget is called Sector Wizard, and again, you can look at the different sectors. So, chemicals, I can see the industry group like chemical and petrochemical or fertilizer. Then I select fertilizer, and I'll be able to see all the fertilizer related stocks now. So as you can see, PI Industries, UPL, Chambal, EID, Perry, everything I can see. And again, just like the earlier we saw, you can generate factor maps, heat maps, download them. So just like this, you can create your own stock dashboard by customizing your preferred data points. And it will be just a click away on this dashboard. Now let's create one dashboard for the mutual fund investors, right? So I'll again click on this customize button. I'll deselect this all this widgets that I've selected, uh, and now I'll add mutual fund and ETF related widgets. So what I'll do is I'll click on this mutual fund analysis, and I'll add top mutual funds and top index fund as mini widgets, and MF Magic Board and MF Wizard as the full widgets. And again in ETF, I'll add the ETF Magic Board as well as a full widget. So this is the preview. I am satisfied, and I'll click on apply changes. It will again take few seconds to load, and you will be able to see the updated dashboard. It is loading, and that's it. Now, as you can see here, you have top mutual fund mini widget. Now you can select the category from here, and you can select the time frame. So I want to see that which funds have performed well, which flexi cap funds have performed well in 5 year time frame. So what I'll do is I'll click on this equity. I'll look for the flexi cap. So equity, large cap, thematic, sectoral. Yeah, here is flexi cap, and then I'll select 5 year period. So as you can see, Quant FlexiCap is the top performer in 5 year period. Then JM FlexiCap, then Parak Parikh FlexiCap, one of the most famous mutual fund. And same goes for the index fund. Now let's look at some of the full widgets. So here we have Magic Board, MF Magic Board here. So what you can do here is you can filter the mutual funds by category and benchmark. So I would like to know that which mutual funds follow Nifty 500 as their benchmark, right? So I'll click on benchmark and I'll find Nifty 500 total return index. So what I'll do is I'll find Nifty 500 total return index that is available here. And now as you can see, these are the funds has that have Nifty 500 as their benchmark. Now I can again see at I can again look at their expense ratios, returns, and their CAGR Sharpe ratio. I can also generate a heat map of mutual funds. Now this is quite a unique functionality. You can also download this list in Excel file. So I can click on download and I'll be able to download them. And then I can also customize the columns. So if I click on here, as you can see, I can see at the relative performance, standalone performance, and I can add any columns. Once I'm satisfied, I can click on apply changes. Now, if I scroll down from here, I'll be able to look at the different widget. Now, this is MF Wizard. So you can type any fund. Let's analyze Parag Parikh FlexiCap. So here it is the performance compared to the Nifty 50 as a benchmark, but you can change the benchmark from here. I would like to compare it with Nifty 500. Here it is, the comparison is more similar to Nifty 500. I can also change the time frame. I can also look at the mutual fund, important mutual fund metrics. I can also customize them as per my preference. So I want to look at the let's say rolling return 3 years, and I also want to look at the Sortino ratio. I'll click on apply changes. As you can see, both are visible here now. Now, this is the third widget for ETF Magic Board. So just like mutual fund Magic Board, you can filter ETF based on category or based on benchmark, and again generate heat map and download. So that's it. We hope that using this dashboard feature, you will be able to put all the important data points that you need in everyday analysis of your stocks or even mutual funds and ETFs. Thank you.